Hi guys, it's your girl Ellie over here coming to you guys live with another much requested video. Today we're going to talk about all things Instagram. I've been getting a lot of questions, I've been getting a lot of DMs about how to get sponsorships, how to make your feed look more aesthetic, and how to engage more and get your following up. Well, let's just say this. My following is nowhere where I want it to be. So I consider myself a micro influencer. For the following that I have, I think my Instagram it's doing pretty well. So I appreciate people reaching out to me, you know, making me feel like I am heading in the right direction. I have gotten a few sponsorships from, especially this year. I've gotten at least maybe 10 or so sponsorships this year. The biggest brand that I've worked with is Neutrogena. I did a Neutrogena campaign with featuring Kohl's, and that was huge. That was huge. And the whole time I kept saying, I don't know how they found me on Instagram. How did they find me on Instagram? So when I actually reached out to Neutrogena wanting to know like how I was chosen to be one of their ambassadors for the campaign with Kohl's, and pretty much the young lady I communicated with was just like, you know, we like your feed, we like, you know, it looks like you're really genuine, you're open, people ask you for tips and you're always willing to share. So those are one of the things that brands look at. So if I'm gonna talk about tips, I'm not gonna go ahead and count how many tips I'm gonna give you because I'm gonna lose track right away. So I'm not gonna do that. So we're just gonna dive right into it. So the number one thing that you wanna do, that I tell people to do all the time when they ask me questions about Instagram, the number one thing, you wanna make yourself look intentional. If you wanna collaborate with brands, you need to put it on your bio. Collaboration. Okay, make it known. Put an email address. Look at my feed, for example. Put an email address and put collaboration. Collaborate with me. Send me an email. Let's get these coins. So it's like you want to make yourself intentional. So that's one of the biggest things I tell people. The second thing is, what does your Instagram look like? Is it a business Instagram, or do you just have a basic Instagram? Now, for you to have a business Instagram, and you know what, I have to go downstairs because I left my phone downstairs and I left my planner downstairs. So we're gonna get walking for a second. So I gotta walk downstairs real quick and get these things because I don't want to leave anything out, because I don't want to get DMs about the same questions, because honestly speaking, I am also learning and I'm growing with this. So whatever tips y'all have, leave them down below for me also. So we're about to walk downstairs, okay? Hey, and Ari's coming. Okay, come on, Mama, come on, come on. Okay, Ari's here. She's like, you're not doing this video without me. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote down all these things that have helped me. Hopefully these tips can help you as well. And I'll also talk about all the sponsorships I have had since I made my Instagram intentional. So the number one thing I'll tell you to do is to make your Instagram look intentional. If you want to collaborate with brands, you want to let them know you want to collaborate. So you might want to change your Instagram to a business Instagram. And I probably will have to do another video showing you how to do that. But if you go in your settings, you click on your settings, you can change your Instagram from a personal to a business Instagram. So I would recommend that that's the first thing you do. You want to change your Instagram from a personal to a business account. And there are several benefits to that. Hold on, Mama. There's several benefits to that. So the benefits, you can track down how many people come to your page. It will show you your contact. You have your contacts, and you have like different categories that will appear on your profile. Right now I'm currently on my Instagram, and it's telling me on here, in the last 7 days, 482 people have visited my profile. Yeah, you probably can see that it looks really blurry. Yeah, but it tells you, it tells you how many people have been on your profile. I have on my profile, I'm a digital creator, and I'm inspiring mamas to be chic, confident, and not lose their identity. Okay, so you want to change your profile to be intentional. And I have my email here, and I have to collaborate. So this is how brands reach out to me. So you want to put that on your profile, okay? Another thing that the business profile will do for you, it will show you like your post insights. For example, I'm gonna look at this picture that Ari and I took recently. Ugh, it looks really bad looking at it from the camera. But this picture, I can't turn my camera right now. But this picture, on the bottom, you can see it says view insights. You click on it and I can see how many people looked at this picture. So 3,900 people looked at this picture. 802 people liked it. It had 107 comments. 5 people shared the picture and 10 people saved it. Thank you guys. So this picture, I can see like my post insights look like at the bottom. So if you just click it, you can see how many people look at your picture. So that's another reason why I think a business Instagram is better for you wanting to collaborate with brands. To have an aesthetic. What does that mean? Simple. Stop using different filters on every picture, stick to one filter. Sometimes, honestly, I don't like the filter I don't like my preset that I use on all my photos, but guess what, honey? I can't change it because my Instagram will look crazy. Like some pictures will have one filter and the other will have another, and it drives me nuts. Trust me, I don't like it, but that's what you have to do. You just have to do it, because if you keep changing filters over and over and over, it's just gonna look crazy. So you want to stick to one filter, and you want to use the same filter for every picture. I know, but that's what you just have to do. I'm gonna tell you guys this though. The things you can do. How do you get a filter that you like? You can buy a preset, okay? When I first started making my Instagram more intentional, like I want to work with brands, I bought a preset. I bought a preset from Moss Oini, and the preset was kind of expensive. It was like $55. But if you look at my Instagram from like a year ago, and I had this dark, moody feel to it, that was the filter I was using. It was a preset that I purchased. Right now I'm using a preset that I also purchased, and the preset that I purchased this preset I'm using from Chase Denise. She has really good presets, so you can check her out as well. I recommend her. I kind of like the Arizona preset, and I've been playing with it. I'm thinking about switching from the one I have right now to the Arizona preset, but we will see about that. For now, I am using, I think the one I'm using is In the Know. That's the preset I'm using right now. Okay, so preset, aesthetic, you want to stick to that. You want to change your Instagram to a business Instagram. You want to make yourself intentional. Put your email and let brands know you want to collaborate with them. Get some traffic to your page.